Hey guys, so it is Sunday morning and Oliver and I are headed out to Pasadena, but doing it a little differently this time, and oh, this is so bumpy, are going to be taking the train. Made it to Pasadena. So the main reason we came out to Pasadena is because we have to pick up the Star Wars tickets for next month. And yeah, but since we're here, we gotta stop at Phil's, get some yummy coffee, and adventure. Alright guys, so mission accomplished. We have picked up our Star Wars tickets for next month. Super excited. Now we're just chilling in Pasadena, trying to, figure out what to do. Look at this cutie.